So I'm going to show you how to hide photos and videos into a private album on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So go to the gallery and then select the photo or photos and videos that you want to hide. So I've gone and selected 3 images. Now what you need to do is tap on add to album, and then you should see private album. If you've never created a private album, then you can create one. So let's go to private album. So it says to view these items you made private, swipe down in albums until you see a dedicated prompt. So tap on OK and then select your privacy password. Now, if you haven't set a privacy password yet, it's going to prompt you to set one. So I'm going to go and set a privacy password, and then it's going to ask me to set another privacy password. Just to repeat that privacy password, and then tap on next. Now it's going to prompt you to add a Xiaomi account. Just in case you forget your privacy password, you can use your Xiaomi account to reset that password. But I'm going to choose not now because I want to skip that quickly for now. And you can see the photos and videos I selected have now disappeared from my gallery. Now, if I want to find them, all I have to do is go to my albums. So tap here, this one, and then you should see albums. And if you scroll to the end of your albums, it's actually a swipe down, not swipe up. So from the main gallery, if you go to the album section and then swipe down, you will see release to open private folder. And then of course you'll keep being prompted to sign into your Xiaomi account. You can ignore that for now. Put in your passcode, and then you can see the items that you had placed in that private folder. All right, that's how to see your hidden photos and videos on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.